second method is not second step is first step sedimentation and decantation is first done to remove large particle of solid impurities. Let's see second step. Step 2, alum. See what is alum. So it is a solid, basically a solid which is soluble in water, which is soluble in water, okay, which is also used for is used to load suspended clay particles. Suspended clay particles in water, okay, in water. Okay, so this is all about alum. So first we have to is then added to the water to separate small particles by the process of loading, okay. So it is then added to the water to separate a smaller particles by the process of loading, okay. We already talk about in briquette, okay. It is a solid which soluble in water which used to load suspended clay particles in water, okay. Let us see step 3. The water is then filtered. The water is then filtered bypassing it through sand filters. Step 4. Germs are killed by adding chlorine to the water. Okay. By following these steps, okay. First step that sedimentation and decantation is done to remove large particles, okay. Alum is added to separate small particles by the process of loading. Then the water is then filtered by passing it through sand filters, and then after germs are killed by adding chlorine to the water, okay. See, the purification of water in the water works, okay. So this is all about application of methods of separation obtaining drinking water, okay. Let us see another method. Another method is evaporation and distillation, okay. See, separating soluble solids from liquids. First one, evaporation. Okay, evaporation. And second one is distillation. Okay, see what is evaporation. Okay, the process of converting liquid to gas without reaching its boiling point is known as evaporation. We know that water converted into water vapor in 100 degrees Celsius, but I want to tell you that water in sea goes in air, become vapor 40 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, without reaching their boiling point. Okay, that convert into vapor. Okay, goes into air. We know that about water cycle. Okay, so without reaching boiling point, when liquid convert into vapor, it's said to be evaporation. Okay.